Hi, Ethan again. So, what I'm going to show you is I got the generator running. A little one here. It's rated for 3200 running watts. As you can see, the carburetor, original fuel line's disconnected. Going up to that. Gonna put 8 ounces of fuel in it. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run this little space heater with my kilowatt meter plugged into it. And when I get this thing fired up, I'm going to do a stopwatch with my phone showing how long 8 ounces of fuel runs with this load. Here are the specs for the heater. We're going to get the generator started, turn the load on, show you the stopwatch running. This is just for weight, so the platform doesn't vibrate off. So, do some run tests. Be back in a minute.